Well, guys, this is not something I'd ever expect to find here. This is one of my absolute favorite cars. As far as GM goes, this is right behind the 71 Buick GS. The 67, the 68 Camaros are not only amazing, but this is an SSRS, my absolute bucket list of a vehicle. And it's such a shame to see this here. Definitely not something you would expect. But guys, take a look at this 1968 Camaro SS. I would have gone with a different choice on the wheels, but she's has a little bit of damage. Nothing you couldn't just quickly bang out over a period of few months. But if this was a real one, this is an amazing find, guys. I absolutely love it. It's a shame it looks like they got a little bit carried away, but honestly, you're talking fender, door skin, and quarter panel paint, and she's good as golden, guys. Maybe the bumper. The bumper might need a little help, but it's got the hideaway headlights, and I've been tapping around. It's got a nice cowl induction hood. I don't feel any Bondo. All steel. No fiberglass rim patched panels. This, you can't see where you can't. This thing is immaculate, guys. Absolutely. Well, I mean, it's pretty boogered up, but she's got coilovers. What a great job. And it's a shame because it's just a shame to see one of these here. And if we go ahead and we pop this, you can see they definitely swapped out the engine after the accident. And there's no mount pins, bolts. Fuel is just thrown on there. Battery's gone. Brake system's taken apart. I mean, this engine is definitely junk, but someone had a lot of love and a lot of money in this. It's just truly, I mean, look at the rear here, guys. We'll get on this side. I don't know how well you can see. I'll go around here. Once again, I would have definitely gone with different wheels. Full disc all the way around. What looks like a fully built rear end, definitely looks like a fully built rear end. Coilovers, I'm sorry. This is like a holy grail for me, guys. This is truly an amazing car. A little bit of rust coming through here, just starting to bubble through the paint, but not too terrible at all. Easily repaired. Fuel tank is brand new. Can't open up the trunk, but the hood looks square. I don't see any distortion in the body of the car. Nice solid doors. Well, can't open the passenger side, as you can imagine, but the chrome work, the bright work is beautiful. The interior, other than it looks like someone getting in and out of the car with their muddy boots since it's been here, absolutely fantastic. They took the time to not only paint the outside, but fully freshen up the inside. Could have done a little bit better on the actual dash pad, but I mean, if it's only the little things like that. Wow. Definitely hit pretty hard though. It's been sitting for a little while too. So let's sit down in here. Oh, the mirror did survive though. It's actually surprising it's in as good shape as it is. Set that on the other side. Oh man, I am smitten by this thing, guys. Absolutely smitten. Last inspected in 2018, so I wonder how long it's actually been sitting. I love the key placement on these. Obviously, no battery in it. It's not going to start. Definitely a phenomenal restoration, not a repair. I don't feel anything in this vehicle that screams that it was poorly done. You can actually see next to the headlight switch, the high beam switch rather, You have a little bit of insulation, the sound deadening and the heat shielding. Oh man. The only thing that I've noticed was this light right here. The chrome is definitely faded off of it, but that's literally the only two things that I've found is the mirror and that. There's no Bondo I can find. There's a little bit of poor like craftsmanship putting this dash pad on, but other than that, it is really good in here, guys. Man, I love it. The seats are in really good shape. Whoever did the upholstery on them did a great job. Not perfect, but pretty darn good job. The ceiling is fantastic. We have a little bit of wear right there. I don't know if that's just from, I don't know what that's about, but not terrible at all, guys. I absolutely love it. Oh, I had to come out and take a look at this though. I know I have a lot of Mopar stuff, but if I could afford one of these, this would be sitting right there. Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. I do like the smoker windows or the vent windows on the 67s. I would actually prefer that, but I totally understand why they got rid of them, and it does make it a little less overcomplicated when you're looking at it. So half a dozen in one hand, six in the other. I wouldn't say no to either one of them. Oh man, guys, truly one of my most favorite cars ever made. I like how small they are. I like the way they look, and I especially like whoever put this thing together. Great. Other than the wheels, I could do without those wheels. Mag 500s or some rally wheels or something like, get rid of those. But I love this thing so very much. This is such a beautiful car. A little bit of things in the paint, if you can't see, there's a little bit of weirdness in where they were doing their body lines. Not really the best work there, but just one more walk around before we head home. I can't believe that there's no sign of Bondo on this thing. I mean, it's going to need some serious work now, but no sign of Bondo on this. All right, guys, right before we finish up this video, I want to do a giant thank you to Matt. He is hooking us up with a ton of Mopar parts, including a 4-speed manual transmission, a ton of electronics, and a fully custom-built 904 transmission. Now, he has an Instagram, so if you get a second, go over, hit him a follow. Is it follow? Is that what they call on Instagram? Follow. And I'm up on all the modern trends of social media. So this is a beautiful 1970 Charger, and it is on point, guys. So we'll do a full walk around in the spring, and I really got to say, it's lovely to see these things being kept around and not just, and he drives this thing. Mind you, this is not a trailer queen or anything. This is something that he likes to take out with his wife and just have fun. And that's what I love about a lot of you guys are just the same way. Now, it used to be a General Lee car. It's what actually how he bought it. So look around in the spring. We'll do a full walk around on it, and I am definitely looking forward to getting this thing out. He'll do a giant burnout with it. This guy has just so much heart and soul into these old cars. And I know a lot of you guys can agree the same type of mentality. So if you get a second, head over to his Instagram, say, hey, thank you very much. I do very much appreciate it, because these things are not easy to come by. So until the next time, guys, remember, have yourselves a wonderful day and keep her shiny side up. God bless.